everyone, I'm Michael Short. Come on, let's go outdoors. Well, I am just north of Westlock, where a unique partnership has been formed between the Alberta Trappers Association and Alberta Environment and Parks.
We've been able to purchase what we call an RFMA, or the government calls it an RFMA, which means Registered Fur Management Area. And we call them trap lines. So with the purchase of this line in partnership with the provincial government, this absolutely changes the game for us, for our education program, and being able to offer a lot broader spectrum of education for our trappers and also for people in general that are interested in some of the life of a trapper, bush skills, bush travel, that kind of thing. We want to showcase that. So this is a game changer. We can keep people all in one place. We can take them out and show them what's really involved in a commitment to take on a registered trap line in Alberta.
This 93 square kilometer active trap line is also within a 30-minute drive of Westlock, where the headquarters for the Alberta Trappers Association is located. Proximity to the town and all of its amenities will provide additional support to a growing number of new trappers and more professional development training for trappers in the industry.
The new people that are coming in today's world don't have a full idea of what they're about to take on when they take on some of it's an enormous responsibility to take on that much land. 2 years ago was our best year in quite a while. We had just over 850 students through the year. So we ran 54 courses, and then we run numerous upgrading workshops for already licensed trappers. So we have our standard course. That's for people who want to get into the field and become a licensed trapper. They have to go through the program. There's about 10 workshops that we offer as well. So those are upgrading training for trappers and for professional trappers. People are beginning to realize the important part that we play in this whole scheme of what we call conservation. And I'm really impressed. Like I said, just over 850 students. That's a good sign that trapping is going to be here for the future. Because I'm in front of the camera, this might be my only real chance to thank Minister Nixon and our own Dave Kay, that is with AEP, as is Travis Ripley. I just want to thank them for making this happen for us. It's been a long process. I know they've worked hard on it. It's hard for us to understand what they have to go through in government to be able to make things work. But however it had to happen, I'm very grateful, and so was our association.